Students, now we are solving question number 4, fourth part. In this question, places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. Yes, that means there is a highway, एक हाईवे है, on that highway two places, it is A and it is B. Two places are there, A and B, and these two places are 100 km apart from each other. That means the distance between A and B is 100 km. Okay. Now, next sentence is one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travels in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Students, two places A and B. From these two places, two cars starts at the same time. Suppose here these two cars, one is starting from A and second one is starting from B with different speeds. Let the car starts from A has the speed x km per hour and the speed of the car starts from B is y km per hour. Clear? Question says that if two cars are moving along the highway in the same direction, that means the car A travels suppose in this direction, so car from B will also travel from this direction. Okay, and after 5 hours they meet. Suppose they are meeting at C after 5 hours. Okay, and if they travel towards each other, that means if these cars are travels towards each other, that means suppose they meet at point, or I'm pointing this point D. Here A, B, here D. If they travel towards each other, they meet after 1 hour. It is the situation. We have to find what are the speeds of two cars. First of all, we have to take the speeds of two cars as x and y km per hour. Okay. So, solution. Let the speed of the car starts from A is x km per hour. X km per hour means in 1 hour car travels x km distance. Clear? And the speed of the car starts from B is y km per hour. Now we have to take the situations or conditions. When both the cars travel in the same direction, when both the cars travel in the same direction, then what happened? They meet after 5 hours. So after 5 hours, this car will travel the distance of 5x kilometer, because S is equal to d upon t This implies D is equal to S into T. Clear? Distance is equal to speed into time. Time is 5 hours and speed is x. That means distance traveled by the car starts from A is 5x kilometer and it reaches at point C. So distance traveled by the car starts from A after 5 hours is AC is equal to 5x kilometer. Clear? Similarly, distance travel by the car starts from B after 5 hours is BC is equal to 5y kilometer. Clear? Now, so according to the situation, the distance from here to here, first car travels this much distance and the second car travels this much distance. So the remaining AC minus BC is equal to AB. AC minus BC is equal to AB. From figure we can write, okay? Then AC is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100, or each term is divided by 5, so x minus y is equal to 20. It is our first equation. Clear, students? Now second situation is given that if two cars are traveling towards each other, when second condition is when both the cars travel towards each other, then what happened? Distance travel by the car starts from A is AD is equal to x kilometer, because they meet at point D after 1 hour. That means 1 hour, in 1 hour car starts from A, travels x kilometer distance, okay, and distance travel by the car starts from B is BD is equal to y kilometer, and according to the figure AD plus BD is equal to AB. Clear? So according to figure AD plus BD is equal to AB. Clear? I am rubbing this figure. Now, or we can write AD, that means x plus y is equal to 100, equation number 2. Now we have to solve the equation number 1 and equation number 2 by any method, that is I am taking elimination method, solving equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, that is x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100, equation number 2. Since both the sign of the coefficient of y are different, so we will add both the equations. When we add both the equations, we cannot change sign. Clear? So after adding 2x is equal to 120 or x is equal to 120 upon 2, that is 60 kilometer. Clear? Now put x is equal to 60 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 20, then x 60 minus y is equal to 20, then minus y is equal to 20 minus 60, minus y is equal to minus 40, minus minus cancel, y is equal to 40 kilometer. So our answers, what are the speed of the two cars? Answer we will write, speed of the car starts from A is 60 kilometer per hour. Here we cannot write 60 kilometer and 40 kilometer because it is, these are the speeds. Okay. So, and speed of the car starts from B is 40 kilometer per hour. So students, in this way you have to solve this question. So I think all things are clear. So pause the video to be noted down.